It's so easy to get distracted when things get difficult, especially when the people that are in your life aren't as supportive as you wish they were. But this is the time more than ever to stay focused and make sure you have a good plan. Make sure that you guys come up with every little step that it's going to take for you to receive success. And also account for the distractions, account for the hard times, and make sure that you guys get yourself ready for the low blows and all the things that are going to catch you off guard. Because if you can overcome those challenges, you're going to be set up and ready for anything that's going to be positive in your life that's going to come. It's all about making sure that you stay focused, stay positive, and don't give in. Don't give in to the negative people in your life that are telling you things that are unsupportive, and just stay focused and committed, and you'll definitely see through to all of your goals. It doesn't matter how hard they are or how big they are. It's just a little bit of the steps that you're going to have to dissect them into, and you're going to be able to accomplish anything you set your minds to. So don't give up, guys. Even if it seems difficult, even if it seems like you can't make it on your own, it's impossible. There's no way you can get through this. You definitely can. You're strong enough, and I believe in you. I'm Jose with GeneratingEntrepreneurs.com. You guys have a good evening.